What's up, you fuckers? You Zakians? I don't know. So I'm not big enough to give my name a fan base. Name, I don't know. But yeah. I got my boys shirt. As you know, it's coming this Thursday. Excited for that. Love the boys. But anyways, this episode of Thai unboxing, or just unboxing. I don't know if you can call it an episode. I'm not big enough for that anymore. But anyways, this is the new Charli XCX album, Brat. I think this might be the strongest out of her studio albums. My favorite still might be Pop 2, I'd say. It comes with this, and when this came in, I thought it was something like someone accidentally sent me this, but it turns out this is just credits on a very interesting piece of paper. It kind of is like Yeezus. I had to cut this, sorry about that, because I had to get in here. It's kind of like Yeezus with the tape. You have to cut it in order to get in, except it's on a vinyl. Now, they also did something where they changed all the covers on Spotify to match this very minimalist aesthetic of her album, Brat. Yeah, this is really good. I think some people were saying that her music might not be quite as good after the tragic passing of the very talented musician Sophie after she passed away tragically. There's actually a song in this that pays tribute to her. It's really sad. It's called So I. This is a really, really good album. Definitely one of her best. I might have to get Pop 2 and things like that. Also mixtape. This kind of features a lot of EDM influences, a lot of her releases do. Also some, here's some kind of psychedelic kind of acid sounds in this too, like a lot of techno influence and stuff like that. This is I don't know if all her records come with booklet. This is the first album I really popped by her. This kind of has like a light shine to it. It's glossy. It has a very minimalist look, as you can kind of see. It matches the theme of this. Anyways, well, that's about it, guys.